Hello guys, and in today's video I wanted to create a tutorial on how to create content, a specific tutorial, okay, on how to create content for your 3D LED fan, like this one here. In this tutorial will be showing you how to create new videos and adapt them for the fan, and at the same time I will be I'll be showing you how to use old videos and turn them into something that can be projected on the fan. So let's go. Let's talk about what you need for to make this kind of video. First, you need a phone to shoot the video. You need an object that you want to shoot and a piece of paper. Now, the purpose of the piece of paper is really simple. It is really simple. You just need the piece of paper to be able to spin the whole thing and have a 3D effect to it when you are filming. So it's not very special. It's just you need something to be there. My nose is hurting me again. To be there to spin around so that you can have that 3D effect. First of all, you see I have camera here filming there. So I'm going to use my phone here and film. And the iPhone is going to film the whole process on how I do it. And you guys will see how I'll make the videos. And I will explain to you how to edit it to have a good, clean 3D video to be projected on your device. Let's go. First, you put your object on top of the of the piece of paper, not the piece of paper, but the paper, the printing paper, A4. This is. And take your phone. You go in videos. Now, to make sure that the whole thing is going to be looking really good, you can turn on some lighting here. You can see I have some light in the background shooting the thing. From here, you want to take a good position and look inside the phone that is recording. Turn on video, start recording, and then start spinning. Now, if you have a spinning table, this is going to be much easier if you have something that can help you spin, but I don't. So I'm going to use this piece of paper. I'm going to act like we are just going to use this piece of paper. So you can create more, just a few more videos to be sure to choose one of them and be like, hey, I got one of them that is really good. You don't need to be like, oh, I'll try it with one and then, oh, go back, create a new one, go back and create a new one. You can create many videos right away and edit them, send them to the device. Now that you are done with the video, I'm going to switch to the computer to show you how you are going to do that. Now, if you don't have a computer, you can also use CapCut on your phone. If you have a phone, if you want me, I will also showcase the CapCut on the phone and how to do it on the phone and how to transfer that video or how to change that video into a bin file to be able to send it to your device. We are back to the computer now and I can show you some. So those are the videos we just recorded and we want to transform them from MP4 to bin. But before that, turn them into videos that can be used on our device. So for that, in here I have something that many don't use is CapCut. But I use CapCut. You can use any other way. I will try to find if there is any other thing to do this. But I use CapCut. And in CapCut, you want to create a new project. Add that specific video in it. Put that video down here. We are going to make them one by one. Okay, so we're going to take this one first. And the way it's spinning. And what you want to do is that my CapCut is in Chinese, but if you know that there is a crop, there is something that is called cropping. So you can choose cropping. You choose cropping in here, and then you choose personalize cropping. You choose the panning here, and after you do this, it's going to crop that. You see that specific thing that you have in the display. You want to crop everything, just that. It takes some time, and sometimes you have to make a little bit of modification to it to make sure that it is perfect. What is perfect
the whole cube needs, or the whole thing needs to turn green, so you know you are cropping it. Now, if the angle is not working, you can go back and shoot another video with a better angle that is going to showcase the whole thing. So when you choose it, the whole thing's picked up. I don't know what's wrong with this one. So I'm trying to choose the whole object so that the whole object is going to showcase in the video, and we can be able to transfer it over there and say, hey, this is the way we make it. So if it's taking some time, this might be the time it will take. But over time, if you create this kind of content for work or for advertisement, if you do it, the more you do it, the better you get at it, and you won't feel that it is really annoying like that anymore. So I need to go back to when this facade shows up and then try to crop it. This whole facade here doesn't show in the crop. I'll ask him to crop this whole facade, and then we continue on cropping. This is the last item we need to select here. And now that this one is selected, we are going to wait for it to process, and we will go for the next level. Now let's be sure that the whole thing has been it's highlighted. You see the item is being highlighted here, and we are going to accept that. We will have it in a black background because this is what we want, in a black background. And after that, we can just play the whole thing, and you will see this is almost the way,
and then start spinning.
This is almost the way it's going to look on our LED fan. Now that we have the video, we will just save it at Real Cube. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys how to create videos, or maybe yourself, that you recorded in a certain place for this device. Now, it might not be exactly what you're looking for. It might not be really beautiful, but it can be used. It will be weird, but it can definitely be used as soon as you know how to crop the personage from the person, from the whole video. You will be able to use this. So first of all, I need to open my camera, front camera here. And let's say I was just filming my computer here, okay, my PC. And I'll make two videos. This is me filming my PC, or just filming my PC and moving it around to see. Say you are taking a picture of your background and being like, wow, look at me, I'm in Yosemite. And you want to crop that one. So now that we have that video in our phone, we connect our phone to the computer or any kind of device we want. Find that video. We send that video inside the app that we use, obviously. We put it in here. So we are going to try to use the automated one and let the computer himself choose the way he wants to cut the video. You can already see that here. You see, we already have a black background. This is going to play very good on the LED fan. And this is exactly what you are looking for. So we wait for the computer to be done. And once it's done here, you can see me in my background and I'm talking. But the computer did not have the chance to be cut in. So I'm going to keep my face here and then save this one as a 1080p video. This is a video that we just took. Let's say we took it, 5 months ago of our baby, and then now we want to transform it. We just need to make automatic crop in CapCut, and it will crop it for you. This is automatic. It will crop the baby for you. It might look chunky sometimes, but if it's not chunky, thank God. Now that you're done, you crop that one, you are going to save it. Now we save this one. Let's try the harder one, the computer, the PC. And for this one, we will go manual here. You choose the pen. And what the pen wants to do here is to choose the computer. We have stuff in front of the computer. You can choose all of the stuff that is in front of the computer and choose the whole thing. Now that you choose this one, we wait to see what it's going to look like. Now, if you didn't do anything, you can choose. I think this is going to be much harder. It's not even showing that it's working. Maybe that because the background is too complicated, it's much harder for this thing to work. Now we are going to try this one, the automated one, and see if this one can work. It won't work because the background. So this is a very good example of how you need to make the video. So now you can see that this object here is an object, yes, but it's blended inside the background. There might be a way to crop it, but I don't need to. I don't want to. If I really want to take my picture, my PC like that, I'll move it right in the middle of the table, and then take him as the object, and I'll walk around it. But I did not do that. So that might be the reason why it's not cropping. But at the same time, some people will know how to crop this. I don't. Okay, I don't have any idea of how to crop this. But this one, this kind of video, if your baby is moving from one point to another point and you film that, you can turn that into this kind of video that I just recorded, and you can use it. Hopefully you can use it on the device. So now that we have two videos that we can use on the device, it's not that this video cannot be played on the device. It's just not going to be beautiful. Oh, you can see that, right? This is the video I made, and it's already in a bin folder and it's working. And this is my face. So it is possible to create stuff like that. If this is the video you've been looking for, please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment in the section below. I like it. Now, if this is not what you wanted and this doesn't answer to what you want to do with your device, please let me know in the comment below, and I'll be sure to read and reply to you, and maybe create another kind of content that will be more suited to you. And on that, I will leave you to the editing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.